I'm going to share with you a side dish my mom used to make when we were in a tight situation 30 years ago. It's a side dish that pairs perfectly with the mildly spicy flavor of tuna. The ingredients are simple, and the recipe is easy enough that anyone can make it. The ingredients are very simple, just red pepper flakes, chili, onions, 1 can of tuna, black pepper, and salt to taste. It's a side dish that holds a lot of memories for me, and I still love its flavor, so I make it often. This tuna salad would be good keeping in the fridge and will last for about a week. The drained tuna oil is great to add when making a stew. You can make kimbap with it or have it as a quick and easy side dish with a meal. When I was in middle school, I used to ask my mom to pack me a kimbap made with this tuna marinade every day to go to school. Making kimbap is quite a chore, and I think my mom was expressing her love to me by wrapping it for me that time. Now I have become an adult, and I make tuna kimbap for my mother by myself. My mother enjoys the tuna kimbap I make, but even with the same recipe, I can't match her flavor. To make kimbap, you simply spread some cooked rice over on the seaweed sheet, filling with the tuna dressing on top, and roll out on a bamboo nori mat. This is a very simple and delicious way to make tuna kimbap. I usually make a big batch at a time, stick it in the fridge, and pull it out for each meal. It's also very versatile. You can make a pancake, add it to ramen, or add mayonnaise to make a salad or sandwich. I've introduced you to my childhood favorite, tuna salad. I hope you'll give it a try and enjoy it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching today.